with confidence. When I got the roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. I am looking really good, you guys. And by the way, this wig is glueless, and I love the fact that these curls are really big. They can actually get bigger than this. Look at that. I'm so happy, you guys. They are also very bouncy, so I'm really excited about that. Without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. Please do not forget to check the description box, child, for more information and for direct links to be able to purchase this gorgeous hair from Luvme Hair Company. Okay, so this is their box. It is purple and gold. I love it. And let's see what is inside. The first thing that they gave me was this wig storage. I love these wig storages, especially when I travel. I love them so much. They make life easy. And look at this little makeup bag, and inside, ooh, there's so many goodies. They gave me an edge brush, a Luvme hair mirror. I love these mirrors, guys. I always have one in my bag because, child, who doesn't love a mirror? Look how nice this mirror is. It is a branded mirror. Kind enough to send me a wig scarf to lay edges, and also it is branded. Okay, everything is branded. And lastly, they sent me this Luvme hair booklet in case you want to return the hair. But child, let me tell you, there is no need for you to be returning this hair. Okay, like, Luvme hair wigs are of good quality, but yeah, this is a booklet if you want to return, a refund. And what I like about this booklet also is that it has a how to care for your wig. As you all can see, this is very important. And this is the wig, you guys. Okay, let me see, let me remove this quickly. This is how the wig is looking. This is the lace, and this is how it looks inside. It has 4 combs and an adjustable belt to secure your wig, and also these adjustable belt in case your head is a little bit small, so you can adjust them, you can cross them so that your wig can stay in place. And these are the curls. Oh my goodness, when I say these curls are so soft, you guys, look at this. These curls are really soft, and they are also really bouncy. That's one thing that I love about Luvme hair wigs. Their curls are nice and bouncy, and also the density of the hair is really full, as you all can see. So I'm super excited, guys. So as usual, guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just quickly going to install this wig, let you guys watch and enjoy. And please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Okay, guys.
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drives me.
Guys, this wig is nice and secure. I love Luvme hair wigs. Oh my goodness. And by the way, that extra belt is adjustable. I just noticed now that the extra belt that I showed you, it is actually adjustable. So this is literally not going anywhere, and I'm really excited about that. I'm so happy, you guys. So let's cut the lace and we are good to go. I'm so excited. Look at this. I don't even know what I'm going to be defining because the curls are really looking nice. But yeah, I love it. It suits me. Oh, I love it. I'm happy.
hurts to see you smile. Like a dagger hit me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you say are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. Oh, even if I can't deny that all the things you say are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Oh, baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of a stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes_baby. And if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig, if you are interested in looking as gorgeous as me, please do not forget to check the description box down below so that you can be able to purchase yourself this gorgeous wig. I'm looking really amazing, you guys. So yeah, this is the end of today's video. Until next time, bye bye.